Okay, store number 8, Satay. I think they opened earlier than I expected, but maybe because it's weekends. And they say it's the best satay, number 7 and 8. Some kind of egg and char kway teow. Greetings everyone, I'm now at the iconic Lau Pa Sat. Yes, many years of history already. So let's check out the surrounding, the nearest MRT with Telok Ayer MRT, but you can also walk here from the Raffles Place. And I'm seeing a lot of foreigners right here. Honestly speaking, this place is so big that it may get lost and I'm not sure what to start, but I just follow my instinct. Right here is the sugar cane and the drink store, the coffee kiosk. They also sell the dessert fruits and juices and coconuts here. Let's check out the stores right here. Butter and cream muffin tart cheesecake. We'll definitely suffer from street food. There's even Thai food here, Thai kitchen. There's a crowd here at the Indian vegetarian store. Also seafood, and you know there's a Satay Street I'll be exploring in a short while. They are going to open like maybe 7:30. Now there's a store that sells satay here, City Satay. Oh, look at that. And this is the outdoor area. The Satay Street is just, you see the smoke there? It's over right there. Before that, there are some seafood here. Kallang Airport wonton noodles at $6.20. Sweet curry chicken noodle. I think they're frying some stuff here. Some kind of egg and char kway teow. The Hong Kong style Chi Zhuang Fan freshly made. Actually won the Michelin guide. Chi Zhuang Fan is just $50 per serving. The Zhulong Fa has visited him, and the Prime Minister and even the actor. Well, guess what? Today is Sunday and I think it's like 80% full, the tables, I mean. And all these people, right? More than 60% are foreigners, maybe 70%, and the rest are locals or students. Let's explore the Satay Street. That's a tourist bus, by the way. So here I am at the Satay Street right here. Oh man, I can see the fire there. Okay, store number 8, Satay. I think they opened earlier than I expected, but maybe because it's weekends. And he says the best satay, number 7 and 8. Doesn't seem to have a lot of places to see as well. Have you ever tried takeaway satay? But I think it's best if you eat here. It seems that there are other satay stores, but number 7 and 8 is the most popular, and there must be a reason why. The only reason, there's only one answer, because it's the most delicious, most yummy satay. So that's the reason. Wow, you see lots of foreigners once again. Hey, I see lots of satay here in the smoke. As well as some of the lobster and shrimps. They mean satay. I think they operate even in mini. At the end of it, there's a drink store called coffee kiosk. Different kind of drink here. So the Satay Street is essentially just maybe 10 stores selling almost the same thing. It's just at the Lau Pa Sat here. But as what I observed, and can you see from the video that satay number 8, the store, is the most popular. Maybe it's because it's near the stairs, or secondly because it's just so yummy. There's no reason for customers to come back if it's not delicious, right? So there must be a good thing about it. Okay, just smell the satay going up the air right now. But the way there's a snake vending machine right here, the cute cat. You try the Singapore delicacies, the snake. Mini salted egg. Shrimp rolls. Now there's a food folks here inside. Let's check out, they sell some souvenirs. And the food, so see the mochi pancakes. Singapore number 1 米炸贵. There are some cute souvenirs right here. Now look at that, these are the bricks of the food printed on the brick. Singapore and me, chicken rice, chili crab, few rings, and some nice t-shirts over here. But there are more food right here. There's a cream and corn right here. Lemon tart. Okay, store number 8, satay. I think they opened earlier than I expected, but maybe because it's weekends. And they say it's the best satay, number 7 and 8.